Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your real estate management with AppFolio. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate your real estate management with AppFolio, begin by creating an account on the AppFolio website. Visit AppFolio's homepage and click on Get Started to begin your registration. Fill in the required information about your real estate business. Once registered, log in to your new AppFolio account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand its various features. Click on the Properties tab to add the properties you manage. Select Add Property from the drop-down menu. Enter the property's details, including the address, unit information, and monthly rent. After adding the properties, navigate to the Tenants tab. Click on Add Tenant to input tenant information for each unit. Include necessary details such as names, contact information, and lease terms. Head to the Online Payments feature to set up payment processing. Activate Online Rent Collection to streamline tenant payments. Next, explore the Maintenance section to establish a system for maintenance requests. Customize your maintenance request form to fit the needs of your tenants. Enable automatic notifications for updates on maintenance requests. Check the Communication tab to create templates for tenant communications. Set up reminders for important dates, such as lease renewals and inspections. Take advantage of AppFolio's accounting features by uploading financial documents. Use the reporting tools to generate insights into your property's performance. Schedule regular reports to be delivered to your email for tracking. Finally, ensure your mobile app is installed for on-the-go management access. This will allow you to manage your properties and respond to tenants from anywhere. By following these steps, you'll have automated your real estate management process with AppFolio effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.